Hello guys, so this is second time learning Python. So today we're going to dive into an important aspect of the Python programming language, basic operators and operations. Yeah, like plus minus, those of things. So first, let's briefly introduce the key basic operators used in Python. So, yep, the first, addition. And as you can see right here, addition, subtraction, sorry. Well, today I use a lot of my brain cells, so it's not working. Yeah, and multiplication and division, modulus, comparison operators, and logical operators like and, or, not. So you can find those of chart on Google. If you Google it, there's a lot of chart, like especially you have to remember this comparison operators because like you will use this a lot. So if you just put it in your head, it will be easy. Now let's delve into each operator in detail and see how they are used with example code. Write down some like basic code. So addition, like result 1 equal 10 plus 5. What is 10 plus 5? 15 will be contained result 1. So yeah, a very simple, right? Subtraction, like result 2, 20 minus 8, and yeah. Multiplication, result 3, division, result 4, modulus, result 5, and comparison operators like this is equal result 1 and result 2. Is greater result 3, result 4. The result and the last logical operators, like I said, there's an and or not. So logical and equal true and false, like true and false. Logical or, logical not true. So this example code, we demonstrate the use of each operator. Okay, so how to display the result on the screen. So okay, let's print every result. Just print everything. Addition result, subtraction result, multiplication result, division result, modulus result, comparison operator, logical operator, blah 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 blah. Yeah. So yeah, we use the print function to display the result of each operation. So voila. It's easy, right? Yeah. that's it. That's it for the basics of basic operators and operations in Python. So in the next video, we'll dive into conditional statements and control structures. So stay tuned for more learning. I don't know if you want to. So see you soon again. Thanks for watching. Well,